I'm Jay Rose.
I'm Steph Rose.
And we are the founders of Phase 6. We wanted to start a company basically so we could spend every day together. Not only that, but also be passionate about what you're doing.
I think it's pretty important to show people that to get into training doesn't mean you have to train like 7 days a week and go really hard every day. So what we like to do is take it back and train maybe twice a week. That's all you need. Strength and mobility combined.
It's no longer pain is gain.
No.
Pain is injury.
No
Yeah. So today we're in the beautiful Mission Bay Park in sunny San Diego, California.
We're going to be taking you through some movements to get you started on your strength and mobility journey.
Hey, let's go. The first movement we're going to go through is the Shimbox Switch. This is a great movement to build strength and mobility, especially within the hips. You're going to have your feet slightly further than hip width apart. You're going to place your hands firmly behind you so you maintain a strong foundation throughout. You're going to drop the knees down and drive the knees into the ground. This will maximize the strength and mobility gains by making sure you're engaged throughout the entire lower half of your body. And then from here, you're going to transition over to the other side.
Keeping it simple, going back to basics, I think is really important. You definitely don't need fancy equipment to get in shape. One of the most, no, sorry, cut.
cut myself. Yeah. The next movement we're going to go through is the mountain climber. This is another great exercise to build strength and mobility. So Steph's going to get into the loaded position. Before she even starts the movement, she's activated the entire upper body by driving the hands into the ground and spreading the floor apart. Then from here, she's going to tuck the pelvis under. This will create space in order for you to get the foot next to the hand. And then from there, she's driving her leg into the arm. Then from here, you're going to go back into that loaded position and then repeat.
So we have 4 main principles when training with our methods. Number 1 is training barefoot, so shoes off. Number 2 is training with intent and purpose. So we want to have full body activation throughout all of our movements. We don't want to rest in these positions. Number 3 is syncing up our movement with our breath. It's really going to help with the mind-body connection. Number 4, hydration. So this is going to help clearing toxins, and it's going to help our recovery and longevity.
It's a whole different experience when working out outside as well, being connected with nature, and that's something that really inspires our movements.
So I'm going to take you through how we do a push-up. Jay's going to get into position. He's going to have his hands shoulder width apart. He's going to come up into a plank, and he's going to maintain a strong structure here, tuck pelvis and scooping in the stomach, so he's got a strong core. As he lowers down, he's pushing through his hands, so he's using his hands to grip, and his elbows are going out at 45 degrees. So we would program 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps, and that should be enough to get the most out of this movement.
Yes. Yes. I'm Jay.
And I'm Steph.
And this is how we go.